In the last video, you shaped your objects and the attributes inside them. Now we open one record and look at it up close. A record is one entry in an object, one person, one company, one deal. Open a record by clicking its name in any table or board. It opens as full page. Every record in Attio is built from the same parts. Learn them once and you can read any record in your workspace. A record page has three areas. The header runs across the top. It holds the record name and quick actions, like logging a note, editing a task, or sending an email. The left panel holds the record attributes. Every field you set up in the last video lives here. The main panel holds the activity overview. By default, it opens the overview and you can configure these widgets. Near with the overview, you have separate tabs for emails, calls, companies, and etc. Header, attributes, activity, that's every record. Start with header panel. At the top, see the quick actions you can do with the record. There are 6 defaults, and you can't add custom ones, but you can change the order of them. Below the header, attributes grouped into record details section. Record details has a few key attributes. Pin it where you've seen them first. Name, email address, description, company, and job title. You can click Show All Values to see all the attributes related to people object. The main panel is the records history. Every email, meeting, note, task, and call tied to this record. In one timeline, news first. Tabs across the top, filter it, see all activities together or narrow to just emails, just notes, just tasks. This is the part Email Sync fills for you. Open a contact you have emailed and the whole conversation is already there. Nothing to cut. You're not stuck with the default layout. Open any record and navigate to 3 dots and click Configure Page. Now, let's configure it together. Firstly, let's change the order of the quick actions. The most common are Compose Email, New Note, and New Task. The rest we can move to the bottom. Now, let's change the attributes section. I would love to create as many logical sections as we can. The first one, let's say that the person details, and add following attributes: name, email address, job title, LinkedIn, and phone number. Save changes. The second one is company details, and let's add domain and LinkedIn. Save changes. The third one is communication history. Communication history, and add last interaction, calendar interaction when, last interaction, emails interaction when. Save changes. And lastly, let's configure the main screen. Let's remove everything and build it from scratch. I would put here any necessary information that I would love to see, and this is next calendar interaction, and the next due task, and associated deals. In addition, we can configure the tab on the main screen as well. We can remove some of them, let's say files, and we can configure what this tab will include. Let's take, for example, company, and click on Edit tab. We can add attributes that we want to show there. Let's add LinkedIn, and let's say we want to see associate deals. Click Save Changes, and let's take a look. We need to open this record. Voila, it's beautiful. One thing to know, the layout is set per object, not per record. Customize the people layout once, and every person record matches it. That keeps your whole team reading records the same way. That's a record. The header, the attributes, the activity timeline, and the layout you control. Next video, we cover lists, a flexible way to track a slice of your records through a process. We're Craftt, and we help teams turn Attio into something they actually use. Link in the description to book a free audit.